In this scenario, we will delete a single document and then a folder of content from the document library. Start the steps after navigating to the relevant document for deletion in the document library. Click Open menu. Click Delete Document. Read the warning and then, if happy to proceed, click Delete. In addition to deleting content individually, whole folders of content and the documents within it can also be deleted from the document library, such as this folder named General. Click Open menu. Click Delete Folder. Read the warning and then, if happy to proceed, click Delete. The General folder and its contents have been deleted. Deleted content can be restored via the project's recycle bin, where it will remain until such time as a uPerform administrator might choose to empty it. When you restore deleted content from the recycle bin, the existing versions and their comments will be restored automatically. However, any learning library locations will need to be reassigned, and the content will need to be published again before it will be available to end users. If you are concerned about the impact of deleting content that is no longer needed or obsolete, you can consider unpublishing the content so it is no longer visible to the end users and moving it to an archive folder location within the document library for safekeeping. An archive folder does not exist by default in the project's document library but can be added as a new folder by a uPerform administrator to manage obsolete content.